Okay, real talk. Buying a house is not like ordering on Amazon. You don't click, pay, and boom, house tomorrow. Buying a home has stages, like a video game. Level 1, looking. You scroll, you tour, you say maybe. Then you see one you love, and someone else loves it too. Level 2, making an offer. You write a letter to the seller that basically says, please pick me, I promise I'll love your house. Level 3, waiting. This is the hardest level. You refresh your phone like it owes you money. Level 4, under contract. You're not done, you're just allowed to be excited quietly. Level 5, inspections and paperwork. The house gets checked, you sign papers, then more papers, then, surprise, more papers. Level 6, closing day. You sign your name so many times, your hand forgets who you are. So how long does all this take? Usually about 1 to 3 months, sometimes faster, sometimes slower, never instantly. So if you're planning to buy, start early, be patient, and remember, good houses are worth the wait.